Getting the too many concurrent requests error on ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to solve it and get ChatGPT working again. Solution 1. Clear ChatGPT cookies. Browser fix. First, click on the lock icon in the address bar. Click on Cookies and Site Data, then click Cookies. Now select the cookies one by one and delete all of them. Then click Done. Again, click on the lock icon, go to Cookies and Site Data, and click Settings. Click on See All Cookies. Find chatgpt.com and expand the drop-down. Delete all ChatGPT cookies from here. Expand the chatgpt.com drop-down again and make sure no cookies are left. This clears session conflicts and helps ChatGPT load properly. Solution 2. Reset network cache using command prompt. This step refreshes your network connection and fixes request limit issues. Search CMD in the Windows search bar. Click Run as administrator and select Yes. Type IP protocol configuration/flushtons and press Enter. Now type netch winsock reset and press Enter. After the command completes, type exit and press Enter. Solution 3. Restart your PC finally. Right-click on the Windows Start button and restart your PC. This helps apply all changes and clears temporary conflicts. That's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.